Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Happy Crafty Easter video. Today I have a really fun layered paper craft for you. This is my Eggs on the Ladder layered paper craft. I designed this one to kind of emulate how an Easter egg hunt would go. You're kind of placing the eggs up over the ladder. There's a cute basket there on the top and some fun flowers all around. Just a fun design, maybe something a little different for Easter, and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any paper crafting fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, a weeding tool, scraper, brayer, glue and adhesive, foam squares if you want to add some dimension between the layers, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Happy Crafty Easter 2026. If you're watching this video during the event, you can download the cut file on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can either purchase the individual cut file for this project in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. If you're interested in all 12 event files, video tutorials, printable worksheets, commercial licensing, and a bonus bundle of 12 more Easter cut files, you can purchase the VIP Access Pass using the link in the video description. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that our project has been brought into our canvas. Now I have sized this design to fit within an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. If you're wanting to resize this to maybe make it the size of a 12 by 12 cutting mat, or for whatever purpose, you can go ahead and change the sizing here in the sizing options. Just make sure to leave the proportions locked so you don't distort the design at all. I'm going to go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Alright, so I've gotten everything all cut out. It's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now we do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these different pieces together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the lighter green, then the darker blue, the dark green, the brown, and then you have all of your different embellishments. You have the light brown for the little ladder, the flowers, and the eggs. Do refer to that layering guide. It's really going to help you out as you layer this together. I'm going to speed up the video while I put everything together, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all finished. And there we go. Our fun eggs on the ladder layered paper craft is all set. Wasn't this one really cute? I would be perfect for a card. Size it down and put it on a card base. Just really, really fun, and I hope that you like it. If you make this project, I hope that you share it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Happy Crafty Easter video. Bye-bye.